Today we're working on some fun projects to spruce up that bedroom and clean out the closet at the same time. I can't wait to see what we have to work with. Here's our bedroom project. I can already see some fun items in here that we're going to repurpose. We're missing this huge opportunity for a wall treatment. Definitely need new window treatments, and storage solutions are an absolute must. So let's dive right in. You may remember that we're missing a headboard from our bedroom. I'll be using this room divider to create a new headboard, which I'll then dress up using fabrics I found lying around the house. We'll be hanging the divider panel up on the walls, but first we need to remove the hinges. Now that I've removed the hinges from the panel, I'll be laying it down and adding our mounting brackets. So I found this extra shower curtain we had lying around the house. I'll be sewing an elastic band around the entire perimeter and dressing it on our new headboard to ensure a tight fit. This makes swapping it out so much easier when you're bored of the pattern or color. Plain curtains aren't gonna cut it for our fabulous new design. I had leftover trim from a craft project that I'll be sewing onto the borders for a fun treatment. Let's see how this looks in the new space. Feel free to try any sewing trim you like to make the curtains truly unique. For this next project, I'll be repurposing a bookcase I found in our living room. First thing you need to do is measure the opening of the space. Then you can head to your local lumber yard and get pre-cut wood. We're gonna need to stain this to match the existing finish, apply some decorative panels, new hardware, new hinges. We'll have a new media cabinet in no time at all. First step is we'll be nailing the panel right into the door. It's perfect. Now let's move on to our next door. Take your time to add all the hardware so you can make sure everything is level. There's a couple of ways you can upcycle old pillows. You can start by using old fabric you find in your closet and hand sew it around the edge. It's a great way to use clothes you don't wear anymore if you still like the look. But if you don't want to sew, you can wrap a long pillow up like a burrito. That way you can swap out the fabric and the final look whenever you like. I decided this wall art needed an upgrade, so adding some simple vinyl placemats to the backing can make the perfect design. The old TV stand can still be used as more storage, and once we hang the window treatments and bring in a few more plants, the room will be complete. And look at that. With a brand new headboard, fabulous window treatments, and more storage solutions, we have a brand new bedroom, and we're using things we found in the house the entire time. If you want to see more Living with Repurpose or other amazing shows on Tastemade Home, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, thanks for watching.